Greetings from Drevvikens Naturistbad, Drevviken Nudist beach in the beautiful nature reserve of Flatten on the Drevvikens lake that you can see. It is not my first time here, but it has been quite a while since I have been to this spot, and it is just 9 kilometers away from my home. A beautiful ride, mostly road, at the last part through the forest with my Scott gravel bike. This is how it looks like, so you know. It is just a normal forest beach with a jetty out on the lake, and it is indeed beautiful nature over here, and it has been quite a while since I came to Lake Drevviken, so it was nice to visit it again. And yes, this is a floating jetty over here that you have to enjoy, and I'm right now all alone in this beauty. And last time I actually walked into the lake, but today I'm going to jump, as I think it is fairly deep over here. So yes, 22nd of August is the day today, and we have 8 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and in the water it is 20 degrees Celsius. I just measured. And this is beach number 126 of my Sweden beach adventures. And yes, I'm showing you yet another nudist beach on my channel, as it seems like these type of videos are more viewed than the regular beaches. So I will then continue to show you this, despite no nudity in the video at all. So let's see how it goes for this video as well. To be fair, this video from last year is also one of my top 5 watched on my channel. So yeah, show some love and support for my beach adventures. Right, then with this view, I think it's time for me to jump in the water and enjoy this wonderful sunny day at the end of August in Stockholm. Yes, this one is part of Stockholm municipality on the outskirts. It's very close by to Tyresö and Nacka on the border with those two municipalities. And we can see Skruva on the other side as well, that I have been to. And yeah, let's then not waste any more time and enjoy this beautiful day with a swim here at Drevviken lake. Exact same lake where I'm doing actually ice skating over the winter, because it is frozen, and the whole length of the frozen lake, it is 20 kilometers. And you can see the lake is super clean and super nice. I can see through the water. There is also some seaweed, I mean lake weed. Lake plants here, and I see some fish even as well, which is amazing. Alright, then it's time to take a jump here at Drevviken Naturistbad, Drevviken Nudist beach in Stockholm. Let's then jump. Alright, it was not that deep actually. I almost hit my feet on a rock, so yeah, I should have jumped a bit further, because last time I was here, this was a bit more further in. But I'm alright, nothing happened to me, so that's amazing. And I really enjoyed the jump here. I see some nice rocks on the other side that I think I might have been to, and I plan to visit them again soon. So yes, this is how the beach looks like from the water where I'm swimming right now, because here where I am it's a bit deeper indeed. Beautiful, beautiful indeed. Ah, cool. Then we can wrap up this episode from Drevvikens Naturistbad in this wonderful nature in Stockholm, Sweden. So thank you so much for watching this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.